Hey guys, so today we're going to be trying out the Mikayla and Glamlite palette, the part 2 one. I feel like this will get annoying really fast, but it's also so much fun. I love when they do this stuff in palettes, it's so cool. Anyway, so today we're going to play with the big palette. I am going to use the small palette as well, but I'll probably do that in a different video. This is how it looks. It's really pretty, and I kind of have a vibe in mind today. Like I'm thinking like blue, not blue, purple, like cut crease, green in the center. Not cut crease, halo eye. But we'll see. Anyway, so first things first, time to prime the lids. I really did not want to film today. Well, it's not that I didn't want to film, it's that I didn't want to film my makeup because after this I am filming 2 videos. I'm filming a P. Louise haul, and I'm also going to film my Lush Halloween collection. So I feel like this look is the dinner and those videos are the dessert. You know what I mean? Like I'm excited to film those. So yeah, but I go to Melbourne in like 4 days or something, 4 days. So I really need to get my bum into gear, which is what I'm trying to do today to get everything filmed. So, because yeah, I don't have much time. I've only got, I come back in October. Like I am gone now, like I'm gone until October now, when I leave on this trip. And I only have 4 Halloween looks done, so that is not enough and I'm a little bit stressed, but anyway. Okay, so first shade, let's take Mama Wang. It's like the lightest purple of the palette. It's very kind of like lavender, I think. Anyway, we're taking that and we're just putting that wherever. So yeah, was thinking halo eye. So I'm just kind of starting to map out where that halo eye is gonna go. This shade's really pretty. I feel like this would be so pretty with this, like just all over the lid, a nice shimmer, and then like a liner. I feel like that could be a really simple, pretty look. I feel like I don't have many like pastel-y kind of colours. And normally pastels don't work very well, but this one actually looks really nice on the lid, so great job. I've talked about it before on Patreon, but I really want to like Mikayla and like her content, but for some reason I just cannot. Like she's amazing at makeup, like really good at makeup, but I just can't sit there and I can't watch the videos, and I don't know why. I really want to be able to. I don't know if it's her accent, and I know that sounds mean, but I think, I don't know if this is real or not, but I've seen videos of her like before she kind of blew up, and like she has a very different voice, so I don't know if maybe her accent has gotten stronger or if she puts it on. If she puts it on, I think that's kind of annoying because I don't know. Next I'm going into the shade called Mimu. But yeah, I really want to like her videos, but I just can't, and I don't know why. But yeah, I can't sit there and watch them. A bit of a weird tangent to go on, but anyway. And I think just some of the controversies and things have put me off as well. So I don't know. I can appreciate the talent. She's really great. She's really good at makeup. And yeah, I feel mean whenever I say that, because obviously like I don't know this girl from a bar of soap at all. So she could be one of like the nicest people in the whole entire world. But I'm just going off, I guess, public appearances. What I've seen, I guess, from what she puts out. So yeah. This palette is really nice though. I like the colour story. I like how it's colourful, but like like different colourful. Do you know what I mean? Like I feel like it's a very select shade palette, and like it's still colourful but without being like typical colourful. I think she did a really good job on it. And her original one as well. I think I liked that. I can't really remember. I love Glamlite. Like I think Glamlite shadows are incredible. Alright, I'm just going back into that Mama Wang shade and using that to blend this out because this is not looking good. Like it's looking very unblended. But yeah, I'm so excited for Glamlite's Halloween collections. They have been teasing it for like a month now and I am literally like checking their page every single day. Okay, I'm checking their page more than that. I'm checking their page like every hour to make sure that I haven't missed any updates because I'm so excited. They've got a Scream collection coming out, like, or well, a Ghostface collection, and oh my god, I just cannot wait. So I'm very excited for that. There's just one part over here that will not blend. It's very annoying. The last shade I'm going to take is called Authenticity, which is a little bit ironic with what we were just talking about. And I'm just going to put that like in the crease to darken the crease. And like I'm not going to run it the whole way. I'm going to like run it like halfway up there and then halfway up there. Does that make sense? Yeah, so I'm so excited for Glamlite's collections. I cannot wait. They always bring out the coolest collections. Glamlite and P. Louise, probably like two of my favorite brands. Just think they're really good. You can tell that they love what they make and that they put their absolute heart and soul into what they make. There's brands that make money and then there's brands that make product, if that makes sense. So, you know, unfortunately there are a lot of brands around that make stuff to make money, which is fine. That's all good. We know that's the point of a business, isn't it? You want to bring your money in. But then there are also brands that actually, sorry, on that note, it is fine to want to bring money in. That's what you, yeah, like we all know that's a business. That's the point. You wouldn't do it for free. All good. But it crosses a line when you put things out that aren't good quality. Like that's when it becomes not okay. Like if you're bringing out products that are worth their money, good, great, do you know what I mean? But it's kind of where people start bringing out products that are not worth the money, not worth the price point. That's, you know, when profit starts taking over quality, that's when we got an issue. But then there's also brands that put out products, you know what I mean, where you can tell that, you know, if money wasn't a thing, that they would be putting this out because they like it, it's cool, it's exciting for them, and they put their heart and soul into it. And I think Glamlite and P. Louise are two brands that are absolutely incredible and do an amazing job at that. And I love them. I love them both so much. I think that they do a really amazing job, and if I get to open my own company one day, those are the brands that I would aspire to be like. So yeah. Alright. So I was thinking, if we take this and we just put that all over the lid, and then like, yeah, I just think we can do something cool. So the green shade is called Dreams, and well, there's Grateful. No, I think I want Dreams though. Yeah, all of the shimmers in here are really, really pretty. So, but let's take the shade called Dreams. It's like a lime green shimmer, and stunning, absolutely beautiful. So I'm just kind of going to pop that like all over the lid, and then we'll do some blending. That is so pretty, guys. I love it. What a beautiful shimmer. So just patting that on. It's got a really pretty like gold reflect in it too. It's actually a really, really pretty shimmer. I'm really happy with that. Going back into the Authenticity shade to blend. Just ever so slightly. This brush is really good, by the way. This is the Mitchell brush in, is it MC1 maybe? It's just really tiny and not like super tiny where like it's annoying to use, but like it's small enough that you can do like detail work, but then not too small that like it takes you 200 years to blend something. You know what I mean? It's a really nice, like, precise brush. I really like it. Normally I don't really take like too much notice of the brushes I'm using, just because I have so many of them that I just I pretty much pick up whatever's clean. So but yeah, that one's really nice. Alright, I'm taking a bit of a smaller flat brush now. Oh god, Julie's asleep in the garden. My heart. Oh, she looks so sweet out there. Okay, I'm gonna go into the shade called Glitter. Glitter. I feel like that's how she's, because it's spelled like Glittatah. So I feel like she's really trying to emphasize that glitter. I'm putting that in the middle, but honestly it's not really doing a whole lot, I think, because it already has a gold reflect. So I'm going to take a different shade called Glaze, which is like white. Pretty. And I'm just kind of blending that so it doesn't look like we've just popped a stripe. Cute! Okay, I think that looks really, really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use some of her lashes today that came with this collection. Something really annoying happened. I have tried out like the lip kits and also the, have I tried out both of the lip kits? I think I have. And I also tried out the highlighter from this collection, but I did it in a separate video because when I first bought them I didn't have the palette and stuff, and it wasn't until a bit later that I bought the palette and the lashes. So a bit annoying that it's not a whole collection review, but anyway, so there's two pairs of lashes. There is High Fashion and there's Daydreamer. So Daydreamer look very like natural, kind of daytime lash. So that is Daydreamer. You can see that they're very wispy, very kind of natural looking. And then the next pair is called High Fashion, which I think is what I'm going to take today. I don't think natural is going to go with this eye look. So that is High Fashion. If it focuses. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera and do that. I'm going to do the rest of my face and then I'll come back and I'll show you the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'll just zoom you in. So that is how the eyes look. Super cute. Okay, so I really like this palette. I think it's so pretty. I love the color story. I really like the look that we got out of it. Not focusing on me. I really like the look that we got out of it. I think the color story is super pretty, super unique, something that I don't really have. My only critique is the lashes. So these are High Fashion lashes and they're just quite, what's the word, like I feel like they're still a bit too natural. Like I don't know if I just like my lashes really big, but I just feel like it's quite a bold palette. You know, it's got like quite a lot of bold colors in it. I feel like if the palette was like a neutral kind of palette, these lashes would make sense. And especially considering the other lashes in the collection are a lot less intense than these ones, and these ones still aren't enough. I feel like it's just weird to come out with kind of more natural lashes with such a bold palette, if that makes sense. But anyway, that is my only critique for the collection, or well, the things we tried out today. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!